Good day, Raiders. We are looking at a teachable moment here. I have never had this happen to me on a road trip and was a little bit befuddled initially, trying to figure out what was hitting me. I thought it was debris coming from the tractor trailers above, and so I wanted to get up there and find out which rig was dropping all that gravel onto the interstate. And that's when I discovered it was neither of them. In fact, it was the Department of Transportation from Iowa doing a surface repair. And you're going to see up here just a wall of gravel flying in the air from the rig in the right lane. And so I move over, get out of the way as much as I can. I'm hearing this stuff hit the brand new windshield I just installed in Rapid City, South Dakota, hitting my helmet. It's hitting me in the arms. I had 3 pieces still in my lap when I got home to Minneapolis as souvenirs. So now I've figured it out. It's not coming from way up the road from a truck bed. It is actually being thrown down onto the road surface, and there's no indication that the Department of Transportation from Iowa is out there until this vehicle. This is the first warning sign, and then we have a second one coming up, and that's actually a barrier to protect the work crew. So I'm a little bit more confident that they've got some professionals managing this project. And I see the Iowa State Trooper parked up there. He's got the lights going on, and I want to give him some feedback. I want to let him know what's going on with commuters, with the gravel that's being tossed up into windshields and grills and what have you. So I do go approach him and pretty much lay out what I've just experienced in the last minute, and he informs me that the road repair must go on. And well, I just bit the bullet and got back on the bike, and I could see up here that here it is. This is where it's happening. The guy's laying down the hot tar and shoveling out the aggregate, and he's not sweeping it up. That's it. Till we ride again. Right on.